Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In today's discussion, let's see how ChatGPT is going to help. There has been a much talk going around with ChatGPT, and I wanted to check if it is really helpful to the developers. Let's try to develop a sign-up form and then unit testing with the help of ChatGPT. Let's give a very clear instruction using React. Create create a sign up form with unit testing, right? So I'm not putting any styles, just a sign up plain sign up form and then unit testing. So let's see what it brings to us. Okay, this looks good as of now. So it is instructing to set up the project using create react app, which I have already done, right? So now it's generating the code. So it is generating a sign up form, which is a class component. Okay, so this seems to be fine, but then let's try again because the testing is incomplete. I'll come back after the code generation is done. So this is the second attempt and this incomplete. So let's try again. Okay, so again, this seems to be incomplete. The form is generated using a class component, and the unit testing is incomplete. So let's again try again. All right, so this time it seems to generate a better code as compared to the last time, but the unit testing seems to be incomplete. So let's do one thing. Let's try to rerun this, but then only the unit testing. So I'll copy the code and you know save it, right? And then for this code, we will generate the unit testing for the follow. So I'm going to instruct the ChatGPT to generate the unit testing for the following code. All right, so it seems to understand the instruction. So what we did was we break down the problem and given into two parts. First part, generate the form. Second part, generate the unit testing. So it seems to understand it. All right, this is much better. It even generates the mock. All right. Okay, so this seems to be more appropriate as compared to the last one. So let's integrate this test. So sign of test.js. All right, so I'm gonna get this. Okay, uh, I think I can get this directly from here, and let's try to run the test now. Signup.test.js. npm run test signup.test.js. Wow. So it seems to run the test and then two of them passes. This is interesting. which one failed. Let's see. So it called the handle submit function when the form is submitted. Unable to find an accessible element with the role form. Okay. So the test was failing for some reason. So I made some modification here. So I just put document.body in this test, and still it's failing. It says to have been called. That means this assertion is failing. So okay, so we are expecting this to be passed as a props, which is not happening here. All right, so to fix this, all we need to do is, all right, so now it passes. So we are passing the handle submit as an argument from outside. So which makes sense as part of the test. And yeah, so we are able to, you know, generate a sign up form with the unit test. Of course, we needed some repetitions, but that is fine. I think ChatGPT can be a very good assistant to a developer. What do you think, guys? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you.